We're really excited to be here with Vekoma to show you the next big thing at Dollywood and the next thing for Wildwood Grove. Some of you will remember we opened Wildwood Grove in 2019. It's won the Golden Ticket the last 2 years as the best children's area. And this is the largest single attraction we've ever built for the park. And it's going to be a beautiful addition to Wildwood Grove. So this is how this is going to work. I'm going to hand the mic off in a minute to Eugene Naughton, the president of the Dollywood Company. These gentlemen are going to speak with some prepared remarks, and then we're going to unveil the coaster, and then we're going to give you an opportunity to ride virtually what Big Bear Mountain is going to be. And then we'll be setting up one-on-ones. My team is here to kind of get you organized, but we'll be around to do interviews as soon as we're finished. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to take my position and I'm going to hand this off to Eugene. Eugene?
Thanks a lot, Pete. Hi, everyone. I have to tell you, it's super exciting for me to be here to be able to announce our largest attraction in our history, Big Bear Mountain. What's going to make this perfect is for the fact that it's in perfect alignment with making families' memories worth repeating. And we're very focused on becoming the #1 family destination in the United States. This is a perfect addition to a 1-2 punch. Big Bear Mountain opens in early spring of 2023, and then we're going to top that off with the opening of Heartsong Lodge and Resort in September of 23. Very much looking forward to you all experiencing Big Bear Mountain. And I must say, first of all, thank you for the partnership with the studio. You all have been great fun to work with, and I know how impressed everyone will be with the work that you all did for us. And for Vekoma, industry experts in this area, and they have delivered this largest attraction in our history under some pretty difficult inventory circumstances. So thank you so much for your partnership and look forward to many more years. So I'm going to pass it over to Ricardo.
Hi everyone. We're super excited to be here to present and unveil this vehicle, but also to tell you more about the project and this massive family coaster that we're opening in spring next year. And it's going to be 4,000 feet of track, 3 lounges, almost 50 miles per hour, and construction is at full steam. We're super excited, and we really appreciate the partnership with Persian Family Entertainment Dollywood team. They've been great. They're great partners for us, and we're looking forward to riding this coaster and having you all riding this coaster as well. I'll pass it on to Clark.
Okay, welcome to this exciting moment. I won't let you wait too long for the exciting thing. However, I wanted to tell we as Vekoma are very, very proud on the cooperation with Dollywood. You know, as a Vekoma manufacturer, you not just sell a ride. You're partnering with the company, Eugene, to get together something great done. And I think Dollywood was the perfect partner of that attitude that day. So we really proud on the partnership and also, of course, this exciting project. That was it.
Okay, now the great fun. I'm going to give the big countdown. 3, 2, 1.
So we're going to give you a chance to take a look at what it's like to ride Big Bear Mountain.